Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by stopping flips at the source. Change capture behavior now. Turn off live photos for shots that flip, because live stores extra frames that can alter orientation. Hold the iPhone upright and note which edge is the top. That prevents accidental rotation metadata. Then open Settings, go to Camera, and tap Preserve Settings so your orientation and mode persist. Once done, new photos keep the intended orientation. Make sure to test with one shot before continuing to deeper fixes. Now you handle files already flipped by editing their orientation metadata. Open Photos, select an image, tap Edit, then rotate until it displays correctly. Save the change so the built-in app writes new orientation data. For many photos, use a metadata or batch image tool to modify the EXIF orientation tag to 1 or normal. This prevents viewers from auto-rotating. Once corrected, export to files or your cloud storage. This ensures third-party apps read the fixed orientation and do not flip them again. Finish by locking in correct behavior and addressing stubborn cases. Disable auto-rotate or orientation correction inside third-party camera apps and check upload settings on social services, since they sometimes reorient images during processing. Make sure iOS and your camera apps are updated, because system fixes often resolve flip bugs. If photos still flip, reset all settings as a last resort, then retest. And if problems continue, contact Apple support for hardware or deep software diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.